Hi, everyone, and welcome to Senior Health and Well-Being. I'm so glad you're here today as we talk about an important issue for seniors: loneliness. It's something many older adults struggle with, and it can have a big impact on their happiness and health. But the good news is there are things we can do about it. So today, we're going to explore some practical tips and strategies to help seniors combat loneliness, stay connected, and thrive. Loneliness can affect anyone, but it's especially common among seniors. Think about it. As we age, we might experience big life changes. Retirement, health challenges, or the loss of loved ones are all things that can lead to social isolation and those feelings of being alone. And the truth is, loneliness isn't just an emotional issue. It can actually affect seniors' physical health too. Studies have shown that chronic loneliness can weaken the immune system, increase the risk of heart disease, and even contribute to cognitive decline. Loneliness can be sneaky. It doesn't always announce itself in big, obvious ways. Sometimes it shows up more subtly. So it's important to recognize the signs, both in ourselves and in our loved ones. Are you withdrawing from activities you used to enjoy? Are you feeling more irritable or down than usual? These could be signs that loneliness is creeping in. Think about the major life transitions that often occur later in life. Retirement, for example, can bring a loss of daily social interaction that many people don't anticipate. And as we age, we might experience the loss of a spouse, close friends, or even siblings. These losses are incredibly painful and can leave a huge void in our lives. Here's the thing about loneliness. There's often a stigma attached to it. Many seniors feel embarrassed or ashamed to admit they're lonely. They might think it makes them seem weak or like they're not independent. But the truth is, loneliness is a normal human emotion, and it's nothing to be ashamed of. Okay, so we've talked about the challenges of loneliness, but now let's focus on solutions. And the good news is there are so many positive steps we can take. One of the most powerful ways to combat loneliness is to rebuild and strengthen our social connections. This might sound daunting, especially if you've been feeling isolated, but it doesn't have to be a huge undertaking. Start small. Reconnect with old friends, reach out to neighbors, or even just strike up conversations with people you encounter in your daily life. One of the best ways to make new friends and feel a sense of belonging is to join groups and activities that align with your interests. Think about what you're passionate about. Do you love to read? Join a book club. Are you a whiz in the kitchen? Look for cooking classes. Many communities offer senior centers, which are fantastic hubs for socializing, learning new things, and just having fun. Helping others is not only good for the soul, but it's a fantastic way to combat loneliness. When you volunteer your time and talents, you connect with others who share your values and make a real difference in your community. Think about causes you care about, whether it's working with children, supporting animal shelters, or helping out at a local food bank. We often think of loneliness as a purely emotional issue, but did you know that physical health plays a huge role in how we feel emotionally? It's true. When we're physically active, our brains release endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that have mood-boosting and stress-reducing effects. Regular exercise can make a world of difference in combating loneliness. It's not just about physical fitness, it's about mental and emotional well-being too. And here's an added bonus. Exercise often provides opportunities for social interaction, which can further combat those feelings of isolation. Now, I know what you might be thinking, exercise, but I don't like strenuous workouts. And you know what? That's perfectly okay. The key is to find activities you genuinely enjoy. Remember, exercise shouldn't feel like a chore. It should be something you look forward to. Love being outdoors? Try taking a brisk walk in nature, gardening, or even joining a walking group. If you prefer indoor activities, consider gentle yoga, tai chi, or dancing. We've talked about the importance of social connection and physical activity, but we can't forget about another crucial element in combating loneliness: nutrition. The food we eat has a direct impact on our mood and energy levels. When we nourish our bodies with healthy foods, we feel better both physically and emotionally. Focus on incorporating plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein into your diet. These foods provide the nutrients your brain and body need to thrive. And don't underestimate the power of shared meals. Cooking with a friend or loved one, or even just enjoying a meal together, can provide valuable social interaction and boost those feelings of connection. We've talked about the importance of staying physically active and socially connected, but taking care of our mental and emotional well-being is just as crucial. And one of the most powerful tools we have for managing stress, reducing anxiety, and finding inner peace is mindfulness. Mindfulness is all about being present in this moment without judgment. It's about noticing our thoughts and feelings without getting swept away by them. And the great thing is, you don't need any special equipment or experience. Even a few minutes of mindful breathing each day can make a big difference. Another wonderful way to enhance our emotional well-being is to tap into our creative side. Creative expression isn't just about being artistic, it's about finding outlets that allow us to express ourselves, explore new ideas, and simply have fun. Do you love to write? Start journaling or join a writing group. Are you drawn to music? Take up an instrument or join a choir. The possibilities are endless. The important thing is to find activities that bring you joy and allow you to connect with your inner self. Connecting to your inner self, the power of reflection. As we age, it's natural to reflect on our lives, to think about the experiences we've had and the lessons we've learned. And this process of reflection can be incredibly enriching and empowering. It allows us to connect with our inner selves on a deeper level and to find meaning and purpose in our lives. Try setting aside some time each day for quiet reflection. You might write in a journal, listen to calming music, or simply sit in nature and observe the world around you. Allow yourself to be fully present in these moments, and you might be surprised by the insights and wisdom that emerge. We've talked about the importance of social connection, physical activity, and creative expression for combating loneliness. And now I want to explore another powerful tool for supporting our emotional well-being, the world of natural remedies. For centuries, people have turned to nature to find relief from stress, anxiety, and low mood. And today, we have access to a wide range of natural remedies, from herbal supplements to aromatherapy, that can gently and effectively support our emotional health. Remember, it's always a good idea to talk to your doctor before starting any new supplements or making significant changes to your healthcare routine. Let's start by exploring the world of herbal supplements. Many plants contain compounds that can have a positive impact on our mood and stress levels. One well-known example is St. John's wort, an herb that has been traditionally used to ease mild to moderate symptoms of depression. Another powerful plant ally is ashwagandha, an adaptogen that can help our bodies cope with stress more effectively. And for those struggling with sleep issues, which can often accompany loneliness, herbs like chamomile and valerian root can promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. Another wonderful way to support our emotional well-being naturally is through aromatherapy, the practice of using essential oils for therapeutic purposes. Essential oils are highly concentrated plant extracts that contain powerful aromatic compounds. When we inhale these aromas, they can have a direct impact on our limbic system, the part of the brain that governs our emotions. For example, lavender essential oil is renowned for its calming and relaxing effects, making it a great choice for easing anxiety and promoting sleep. In today's world, technology has become an incredible tool for staying connected, especially for seniors who might be facing mobility challenges or live far from loved ones. It might seem intimidating at first, but even simple technology can make a world of difference in combating loneliness. Video calls, for instance, are a wonderful way to have face-to-face conversations with children, grandchildren, or friends who live far away. Being able to see a friendly face and hear their voice can bring so much comfort and joy. Of course, learning new technology can be a challenge at any age. If you're a senior who's new to smartphones, tablets, or computers, don't be afraid to ask for help. Many community centers offer technology classes specifically designed for seniors. And for family members, be patient and encouraging as you help your loved ones navigate the digital world. We've covered a lot of ground today, and I hope you've gained some valuable insights and practical strategies for combating loneliness in seniors. As we wrap up, I want to emphasize the crucial roles that family and professional support play in this journey. Family members, your love and attention are invaluable. Regular phone calls, visits, even sharing a meal together. These gestures make a world of difference in a senior's life. And don't hesitate to seek professional help if you or a loved one is struggling. Therapists, counselors, and support groups can provide essential guidance and coping mechanisms. Loneliness can feel incredibly isolating, but please remember, you are not alone. Reach out, connect, engage in activities you love, and don't be afraid to seek support when you need it. There's so much life to live, and I firmly believe that every stage of life holds the potential for joy, connection, and fulfillment. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you feel empowered to combat loneliness and create a more connected and fulfilling life for yourself or the seniors you love.